This set of tyres have done more than 120 laps, and this set of tyres are brand new. I'm going to show you my fastest lap on the final run with the old tyres, and I'll show you my fastest lap on the first run with the brand new tyres, and then I'll compare the differences. .331 was my fastest lap with the new tyres, and 46.673 was my fastest lap on the old tyres. So why was there such a big difference? Firstly, there was no grip on the old tyres. When I turned my kart on corner entry, there'd be a lot of understeer, and I'd had to put excessive steering angle in just to turn the kart. I'd end up carrying a lot less speed through the corner, and often I'd miss the apex. The kart had a higher tendency to slide, so I had to be more cautious with my driving, which would also lose me time. On the other hand, when I drove with the brand new tyres, the difference in grip was immense. The kart stuck to the track, and it was literally like driving it on rails. The kart would go exactly where I direct it. At times, there was so much grip that I carried too much entry speed into a corner, and I'd end up oversteering mid-corner. The best part of having brand new tyres is that you can easily use the brakes to turn the kart. Notice how I'm barely turning my steering wheel as I go through these corners. The brakes are only located at the rear in a go-kart, so by pressing the brakes hard, I can lock the rear tyres and rotate the kart to go in whichever direction I want it to. Because I've got more grip, I'm able to brake later into the corners and also carry more speed through the corners. And this all contributes towards getting a faster lap time. Let me know what experience you have using old tyres versus new tyres. In this video, the old tyres were Comet K2H, and the new tyres were Vega XH3s. If you did enjoy today's video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. But until the next video guys, I'll see you next time.